Are you tired of scrolling through your Facebook feed and seeing old posts you no longer need? It's time to clean up your profile by bulk deleting those posts. Don't worry, I have got you covered. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you tidy up your Facebook account in no time. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to bulk delete old posts in Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening your Facebook app on your Android device and logging into your account. Make sure you are on your main feed. Ready to dive into your post? Tap on your profile picture at the top left of the screen. This will directly take you to your profile page. Ready to clear some space? Let's move on. You tap on the three dot icon and select Activity Log. Once in the activity log, you will see several categories. Look for your post and tap on it. You can see all the posts you have made over the years. Some of them might need to go. Facebook lets you select multiple posts at once. Tap the three dot icon next to each post and choose Delete or Hide from Profile. So this is the crucial step for bulk deletion. At the top, you can see the All option. Tap on it. Then Recycle Bin option will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Furthermore, a confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Move to the Trash option. And all of your old posts will be deleted at once. You have done it. Your profile is now free from those outdated or unnecessary posts. It feels good to start fresh, right? So this is how to bulk delete old posts in Facebook.